Well, hello there. Welcome to day 3 of Taylor's Quarantine Corner. I'm Taylor. This is a corner. Now day 3 has it's begun to settle in a little bit. Starting to feel the whole alone aspect. Not to worry, I've had plenty of FaceTime calls. My dad is bringing me groceries right now, so things could be worse. And luckily my house has some really awesome board games. Blockus. We all remember Apples to Apples, am I right? Probably could play Bananagrams by yourself. The best yet, I do know solitaire. So, thank you to my other grandma. You might have noticed that I've learned how to edit slightly. Just imagine what I'll be able to do 12 more videos down the road. 11 more? Anyway, I'm going to switch things up a little bit today, play you an original. This song is about being scared of falling in love. Birds outside eating trash off the street. It's been 2 weeks since I've been sure my feet. Sure of my senses and the way you look at me. That's why I'm leaving and I'm staying away. Said I'm leaving and I'm staying away. We tried the hellos, the spins and the dips. I sang you sweet songs, we kissed with sweet lips. And over and over and over I fell. That's why I'm leaving and I'm staying away. Said I'm leaving and I'm staying away. I'll remember when you said, don't go away from me like it's a dream. But babe, I gotta